So here we have question 6 from exam 2 of the 2019 exam. The total rainfall in millimetres for each of the 4 seasons in 2015 and 2016 is shown in table 5 below. So here we've got the total rainfall. The seasonal index for winter is shown in table 6 below. Use the values in table 5 to find the seasonal indices for summer, autumn and spring. Write your answers in table 6 rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, so there's a few things we've got to do here. First off, we've got to find the average season for 2015 and the average season for 2016, and then figure out the seasonal indices or seasonal index for each of the seasons for 2015, each of the seasonal indexes for 2016, and then average them. So let's go through that. So for 2015, and I'll just get the calculator up. I've got 142 plus 156 plus 222 plus 120 equals divided by 4. So the seasonal average is 160. So for summer, we have to find that seasonal index. So that's 142 divided by 160. And so I'll have that as 0.89. Autumn, 156 divided by 160 as a decimal, so I'll have that as 0.98. I'll write it down. Then spring, we've got winter, so spring, 120 divided by 160, approximately equal to 0.75. Okay, now for 2016, we've got 135 plus 153 plus 216 plus 96 equals divided by 4. So the average season for 2016 is 150. So to find the seasonal index, we need to divide what we got for that season by the seasonal average. So that's 135 divided by 150. So, 0.9. So then 153 divided by 150, it's a decimal, 1.02. We've done winter. And then spring, which is 96 divided by 150. So there we get approximately equal to 0.64. Okay, so then So then we've got to find the seasonal indices for summer, autumn and spring. So using our two values, so for summer was 0.89 and 0.9. So 0.89, or you could just go up and grab it. Possibly the best way, because then you're not rounding until the very end. It's actually, yep, then divide by 2. So that's 0.89375, which rounds to 0.89. Then for autumn, we get our two values for autumn. So it was 0.98 approximately. That one. Oh, let's just, yep, that one plus that one, then divided by 2. So that's 1 point, ends up being 1.00. Okay, then spring. Spring is 0.75. So I'll grab that. That was 20. Divided by plus that one, 0.64, then divided by 2. We get 0.695, which rounds to 0.70. And bring that up. So that's what I've got there. So the total rainfall for each of the 4 seasons is shown in table 17. For 2017, you're showing table 7 below. There we have the total rainfall. Use the appropriate seasonal index from table 6 to deseasonalize the total rainfall for winter in 2017. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, so we remember that the deseasonalized equals actual divided by the seasonal index. So here the actual for winter was 262. The seasonal index was 1.41. So bringing that up, 2.62 divided by 1.41 equals 1. Sorry, what did I do wrong there? I put in a decimal point, didn't I? Okay, let's get rid of that. Delete. 262 divided by 1.41. That's better. 185.816. And so to the nearest whole number, that's 188. 6.